Your room is your sanctuary, a space where you can relax, work, or simply be yourself. What better way to make it even more special than by adding some cutting-edge gadgets that can transform it into a smart and stylish haven? Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Richard Clarkson's studio, The Floating Cloud. Rest assured, the storm clouds in this art piece are purely delightful. This ethereal masterpiece resembles a gracefully suspended cloud over a mirrored surface, enchanting the hearts and minds of many, including notable figures like Drake. The cloud floats effortlessly at around 3 inches above the surface, adorned with sound-reactive LED lights. It dances to your favorite tunes, casting a vibrant array of colors that illuminate your space like a symphony. Atomic Bomb Resin Diorama Sculpture. Seeking a more intense experience? Feast your eyes on the Atomic Bomb Resin Diorama Sculpture, an exclusive masterpiece illuminated by LEDs and meticulously crafted with epoxy resin. This artwork encapsulates the very moment of a nuclear explosion, featuring intricate miniatures and a soothing ambient glow. It's a sight that exudes an unmistakably apocalyptic aura. Spider360 Dartboard. Prepare to challenge your accuracy with the Spider360, the exciting electronic dartboard that's revolutionizing the game. It's all about relaxation, showcasing your coordination, and igniting some friendly global competition. Your performance will be showcased on the impressive leaderboard global ranking system, while the intelligent dart computer with built-in scoring will push your skills to new heights. Plus, with a selection of over 40 games and a camera right at the throw line, you're in for an unparalleled level of fun. Uber Chill 2.0 Mini Fridge. Keep your food and beverages fresh and secure with this mini fridge and warmer. With a simple flip of the switch, it effortlessly transitions from cooling to heating, allowing you to set your preferred temperature. Ranging from a chilly 32 degrees Fahrenheit to a toasty 130 degrees Fahrenheit, it can store your lunch, drinks, beer, and even soup. Plus, the removable shelf provides additional storage options. It even comes with a 12-volt car charger, so you can use it in your car as well. Jellyfish Art Jelly Cylinder 5. If jellyfish fascinate you, the Jellyfish Art Jelly Cylinder 5 is a perfect choice. It comes with 3 sustainably raised moon jellyfish, their food, and a complete aquarium setup, including setup, acclimation, and maintenance instructions. Jellyfish Arts experts are available to assist you in becoming a knowledgeable jellyfish enthusiast. Gingko Smart Moon Lamp. Introducing a celestial wonder for your desktop, a 3D printed moon replica that faithfully recreates the moon's surface. This stunning creation defies gravity, elegantly hovering and rotating in the air. But it's more than just a moon. It's also a lamp adorned with gentle LEDs offering 3 lighting modes: warm yellow, crisp white, and a captivating gradient effect. And for those yearning for a touch of cosmic enchantment, there's the Galaxy Lamp, which reveals millions of stars and the ethereal splendor of the Milky Way against the night sky. The Wood Luminous World Map. If you're a travel enthusiast, get ready for the ultimate wall accessory, the 3D colored wooden world map. It's not your average map, it's a masterpiece that will make your wall come to life. And here's the best part. It features customizable LED backlighting that can groove to the rhythm of your favorite music. Plus, it's magnetic, so you can proudly display your favorite travel photos. The package comes complete with everything you need, including ocean names, wooden planes and boats, a compass, double-sided tape, and quarter stencils. OSIM uThrone Gaming Chair. Tired of slouching at your PC? Meet the OSIM uThrone, the ultimate gaming chair that doubles as your personal massage therapist. This chair is no joke, featuring advanced hand massage technology that pampers you with a top-tier massage while you game or work. But it's not just about massage. It's incredibly comfortable, offering the perfect amount of cushioning. You can customize the height and handles, choose from 3 different massage programs, and even enjoy your favorite music while you relax. VoRis LeMat Magnetic Fixer 2.0. Looking for your sheet of notes? It's time to tidy up your desktop, and the LeMat Magnetic Fixer 2.0 is here to help. This magnetic organizer is compatible with any desk pad and keeps your essentials, like your phone and office supplies, neatly in place. Plus, it boasts 3 built-in USB ports and cable holders on both sides. It even features an NFC tag for easy access to your digital world. Need some extra light? It's got you covered. You can adjust the brightness, and yes, you can keep your notes right on the mat. Say goodbye to lost notes. KITVONA Kinetic LED Gaming Lights. Looking to add a unique touch to your room's lighting? How about immersing yourself in the mesmerizing world of ocean waves and the ethereal northern lights? This Kinetic installation features a rotating glass cylinder that scatters light flares in all directions, creating a dazzling effect reminiscent of a disco ball. It comes in various sizes, so whether you're throwing a party or aiming for a romantic atmosphere in your bedroom, there's an option for you. With 16 colors at your fingertips, you have complete control over the ambience. PyroFarms Bio-Orb with OctoStand. Here's a stunning room decoration, an octopus-like aquarium filled with unique microbes called dinos. These dinos absorb sunlight during the day and emit a mesmerizing glow at night. You can experiment with them to create bubbles, streaks, and even a mini vortex. Feeding the dinos is required only once every 3 to 4 weeks, and instructions for the experiments are included. It's like having your own miniature world to control. Acerpure Cozy Air Circulator. Beat the heat with this powerful 12-speed air fan that provides exceptional air circulation. It offers a wide range of air direction options, from 0 to 95 degrees rotation and 0 to 90 degrees tilting. While it lacks app support, you can control it manually or with the included remote. This air circulator boasts an impressive 82-foot airflow at maximum power and less than 3 feet at the lowest setting. Plus, it's height adjustable for your convenience. NINM Lab It's Real Bluetooth Cassette Player. Experience the perfect fusion of a cassette player, Bluetooth speaker, and real tape with this sleek device. Its transparent design adds a unique touch, while its stable performance and compact size transform your classic boombox into a wireless music wonder. Divoom Pixu 64 Pixel Art Display. Beyond its eye-catching appearance, this vibrant 64x64 LED panel enhances your space while keeping you updated on social media, stocks, gaming stats, and more. But the real magic happens with the Divoom app, offering a vast gallery of animations. Get creative and unleash your inner artist with the option to turn your favorite images into pixel art. KAKA Mobile Coil Induction Charger. Torn between charging your devices, this compact 3-in-1 wireless charger has got you covered. It can simultaneously charge your phone, earbuds, and watch. With its smart coil that adjusts to your phone's position for efficient charging, it also features a convenient nightlight and a mini charging display for late-night power-ups. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.